Whoa!
What are you doing? Why would you burn down? It's your yard, man. Like, what are you even doing? Why would you do that? This girl found an old tire and painted it entirely with white paint and ran it over her clothes, and you'll never guess why. So basically, one time this girl, who's a carpenter and has a workshop, found a tire, and she decided, okay, I want to change something about my life. So she gets pieces of wood, she puts it inside the tire, right? Then she gets a knife, and she's making this circular motion on a board. Then she gets her saw. Little known fact, she's actually a carpenter, and she's been doing this for 10 years. Now, we're going to get some more wood, chop it on top, and that's the narration for this video. No, but literally.
There is such, no. There is a lot of such videos. Did you watch them?
It's true. Do you guys like that kind of video?
Yeah.
If so, we'll do some more. But, okay, so now, the real thing, which a lot of people don't know at this point, is that she has a boyfriend, all right? She has a boyfriend who loves tires. That's why she's making him this gift.
Okay.
Yeah. But
Maybe
little does she know is that her boyfriend has been unfaithful. I'm just kidding. I don't know that.
I love that story.
Yeah,
you know,
thanks.
I want to see more. I want to hear more.
Yeah,
about
we're thinking about making a live-action TV show. Yeah.
Maybe he was a mechanic. You know,
He was a mechanic.
She
She was a carpenter. At first, it was love at first sight, but they were just too similar.
He worked in the tire shop and
Yeah. But he just got tired of the dynamics. Okay.
Okay, so that's still confusing, you know. I mean, with
I have
your
no idea
comments,
what I'm looking at now.
it make more sense. Now it's like, what the heck?
No, she's making a spaceship or something. Why are there ropes all around it?
I don't know.
Those are actually his shoelaces, and she's just getting revenge. And now she has foam. Okay.
Okay. To get a shape, just to tie it to the wooden part. Kind of smart.
That's pretty
I
good.
would
yeah,
say.
not too bad.
But it's a bunch of work around. Like,
It is a lot of work for that.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you need a share and you want a passion project or something,
yeah.
I wouldn't be very passionate about it, but you can do what you want.
So many jobs should be done here.
Yeah, right.
And me on the same time take off the whole dashboard of the car and start working with the wires around. And
Yeah.
I'm like, that should be easy, you know?
So yeah, it depends on what your skill set is, of course.
Yes.
But anyway, good for them. Good for them. They make interesting stuff at 5 Minute Crafts. Okay, now we're wrapping this around, filling it with fluff so it feels more comfortable on our butts.
Mm-hmm.
And we roll it around, make sure everything's nice and tight. It's a little messy on the bottom.
Yeah. I'm just wondering, for whom this kind of comments? Who is not watching videos or who just, listening our reaction. And now she took a shirt, flip it over, put it on the side, and there is kind of messy around, and he like trying to imagine what is going on.
But don't worry, it's going to be fixed up real soon,
Yeah.
and you'll never guess how.
If you, this person,
Let us
text
know.
Let us know.
Yeah, we want your help.
We'll continue. Yeah, we'll
We
continue.
need training. All right, it looks pretty nice, actually.
Yeah, I love it.
I give it couch out of 10.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
agree.
It does what it's supposed to.
Well, it's yeah.
Okay, so now you're watching the video. It's too late to leave. Don't scroll down. All right, cool. So now we have burning wood. What is the point of it? There's so much mystery, so much to find out. Stay with us. Spend the day with us.
Let's figure out together.
Slay with us.
No, we're not spelling.
Pray with us, if you want. Enjoy with us. Okay.
So wow, what a wait. It's epoxy.
It's epoxy, so they're smoothing it
Yeah.
out.
So
Ooh, it looks kind of cool though.
Yeah, is it gonna be a table or something?
It could be a table. It could be whatever it wants to be, honestly.
Mm-hmm.
It's 2025.
Yes, of course.
We can do whatever we want.
What do you think? What do you want to be?
I think it wants to be a table now. That's just my opinion. All right, so we have some plexiglass on top, making it look worse.
Yeah, but here we go, revealing.
It's kind of cool.
But I think it just no, it's the only thing I worry about the legs.
Yeah, I would call it an average table.
Let's see. Wow. All right. It's like one of that toy when you put all together.
Oh,
and
yeah.
create a plane or a car.
Like the Legos that aren't cool, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so now it looks like we have some holes for some air so our
Yeah,
butt can
it's
breathe.
refreshing
Yeah.
thing.
I like to get a big leaf blower and put it underneath.
Uh-huh. That would be nice in the
Yeah.
summer, especially, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it looks like we're just painting over it. This is interesting. It's a nice color.
It looks like a back. Back.
A bok.
Back. Back.
Are you okay?
No.
All right, are you a chicken?
Yeah, sorry.
So it looks like they're taking some buckwheat and they're putting it in bags for what?
Looks weird.
It does look weird.
This thing.
It looks, yeah, those are interesting sacks for sure.
Wait.
And they're staying there as well. What the heck is happening?
For massage, you know, where you can.
Yeah, that's nice actually. Maybe like a beanbag type of chair? I don't know. It doesn't look very comfortable though, because buckwheat isn't that comfortable.
Yes.
I think maybe the sweat that you produce will actually cook the buckwheat.
What?
I don't know. I'm trying to just. This is a weird chair.
Is it really comfortable?
I doubt it. I
doubt
really
as
doubt it's
well,
comfortable.
yeah. But
We should test it.
no, I'm not think so. But
Let's not waste buckwheat.
yeah.
Okay, so you get a saw. You saw some stuff, some sandpaper. We're getting the edges. What are we adding something to our chair?
I don't know. It looks like the same things which he made on the beginning.
Yeah.
Like it looks the same.
But it's different because now he's wrapping it in something.
What are you doing? It's still like.
It's ongoing. Okay.
Yeah, but it was confusing.
It was very confusing. But now we have a nice side for our chair, so we hide the aspects that we don't want to show to people. It's still. It doesn't look amazing. It looks very. If I walked in someone's house and they had that, I'd be like,
What?
what?
The nice chair.
You okay there, buddy?
Okay.
What's that? That's the pain chair. That's where I punish myself by sitting on it.
So good.
Why are there a bunch of sacks on that chair? The heck is that? All right, I give that like a 5 out of 10. It gets 1 million likes. We'll make our own Archie 5 brand sock soup.
But you came
Shipping
up with
internationally.
this one. There is a lot of in our thing.
There's nothing else that we can sell.
Why we should? Please don't put any lies on
And if you want an autographed sock from Archie himself, 5 billion likes.
Get out of here.
Come on, 5 billion? Come on, you gotta do that.
For 5 billion?
Yeah, 5 billion likes,
I can
autographed
sign-
sock. Yeah.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
I can do it. I can do it.
For every single person that likes it. That would take your whole life.
It's slaving, you know?
Yeah, I think so. All right, so now we have, it looks like they use an exercise ball to get the shape, which is pretty smart. I like that.
Yeah.
Nice little bubbles inside as well, ribbed for our viewing pleasure.
You mean this, yeah. I took it seriously. Okay, yeah.
Yeah!
Some
More
oven.
oven. Question.
Yes.
It's not sock soup. It's not tube chicken. What will it be? I just need to know.
I don't know. Maybe ox soup. You know?
Axe soup.
Ox soup.
Axe soup.
Yeah.
I like hammer stew.
Hammer stew.
Hammer stew. Maybe screwdriver dip.
Pliers ravioli.
Pliers ravioli is actually underrated.
Yeah.
Okay. They kind of chipped that bit there. They thought we didn't see it.
Yeah, I was out.
So a little rewind. Check that out. Okay. We're just like.
Such a big
Yeah, I know,
person,
literally, yeah.
like-
Yeah, these
Wait,
guys
salad?
suck.
So?
Okay.
Sorry about it.
No, we're not sorry. Okay. Own it when you're being a butt. Okay, so now we have some nice cement going in the cracks.
Okay.
It looks like an
just
igloo.
lift it up. Yeah.
It's cool. It's a little misshapen, but
But the question is
pizza. We didn't think
nice.
about it. It's Pliers pizza.
Pliers Pizza. Yeah, you can see the pliers right there. I mean, out of frame.
Yeah, that's good. It's actually glue. It's glue gun pizza.
So,
Looks pretty tasty though.
yeah, it does.
It's kind of weird though because they put it straight on the ash, so it's like on the bottom of the pizza is all ashy.